You want to have a clipboard manager under Ubuntu, you can use Gpaste. Simply use the command sudo apt install gpaste-2. Here it says it's already installed, that's fine here for me. After that you have to make sure that the daemon is started. This command here is fine because the daemon works already here in my installation. You can open it. And you see there are already a lot of entries in it. You can simply choose one. For example, this one. And this is now in the clipboard. I open a Sublime, it's my editor. I paste it and this is now in it. If I reopen it, I choose, for example, this one. And this is now in the clipboard. It would be nice if we can open the application with a keystroke. To do this, I go to Setting, choose Keyboard, scroll down and go to Keyboard Shortcuts. And here you find keyboard shortcuts for nearly every application you have installed. And here for Launch the Graphical Tool, I defined Ctrl-Alt-V. So every time I type Ctrl-Alt-V, the application comes to front. It doesn't work here because my recording software is preventing this. But you will see that it works fine on your desktop. If you want to have more videos like this, even with my Black Forest English, please leave me a comment. Consider leave me a like. And it would be nice if you subscribe to the channel. See you. Goodbye.